There is a learning advantage available to you right now in 2026 that almost nobody is using properly. It can cut the time it takes to learn a new skill in half, sometimes more, and it costs nothing. I am going to show you exactly how to use it in the next 5 minutes. The ability to learn new skills quickly has always been one of the most valuable abilities a person can have. It determines your earning potential, your career trajectory, and your ability to adapt to a changing world. And in 2026, the speed at which you can learn has become more important than ever, because the world is changing faster than ever. Here is what most people have not fully grasped. AI has fundamentally changed the speed at which a motivated person can learn almost anything. Not by giving you the answers, but by acting as an infinitely patient, always available, personalized tutor that adapts to exactly how you learn. In this video, I am going to show you the exact method to use AI to learn any new skill in half the time. Whether it is a money-making skill, a new language, coding, or anything else, this method works. Let us get into it. Welcome back to Wealth AI, where UK personal finance meets AI tools to help you build real wealth. Subscribe if you have not already. Learning new skills faster is one of the most direct ways to increase your income, which is exactly why this video matters. The first and most powerful shift is to stop using AI as a search engine and start using it as a personal tutor. There is an enormous difference between the two. Most people ask AI a question, get an answer, and move on. That is using it as a search engine. Instead, you want to set AI up as a structured teacher. Open Claude or ChatGPT and use this exact prompt. I want to learn skill from complete beginner to competent. Act as my personal tutor. Create a structured learning plan broken into stages. Start with stage 1. Teach me the core concept, then test my understanding before we move on. Adjust your teaching based on my answers. This single prompt transforms the AI from an answer machine into a personalized curriculum that teaches you step by step. It checks your understanding and adapts to your pace. It never gets impatient. It never makes you feel stupid for asking a basic question. And it is available 24 hours a day, completely free. The fastest way to learn anything is through rapid feedback. Traditional learning has slow feedback loops. You study, you wait for a test, you wait for the results, you find out what you got wrong. AI collapses that feedback loop to seconds. Here is how to use it. Whatever you are learning, attempt it and immediately have AI critique your attempt. Learning to write copy? Write a draft and ask Claude to critique it against professional standards. Learning a language? Write a paragraph and ask the AI to correct your grammar and explain each correction. Learning to code? Write the code and ask the AI to review it for errors and improvements. The key is the explanation. Do not just ask what is wrong, ask why it is wrong and how to fix it. Every correction becomes a micro lesson. Dozens of these rapid feedback loops per hour accelerate your learning far beyond what traditional study methods achieve. Decades of learning research consistently show that active recall, testing yourself on material, is the most effective technique that exists. AI makes active recall effortless. After learning something, ask the AI to test you. Use this prompt. Test me on what we have covered so far. Ask me questions one at a time. Wait for my answer, then tell me if I am correct and explain anything I got wrong. The AI generates unlimited practice questions, marks your answers instantly, and identifies exactly where your understanding is weak. You can also use a free tool called NotebookLM from Google. Upload your learning materials, notes, documents, articles, and it generates summaries. It generates summaries, study guides, and even audio overviews from your own material. It turns passive content into active learning resources automatically. Let me make this concrete with the most valuable application. Using this method to learn a skill that directly increases your income. Say you want to learn copywriting. one of the most lucrative and accessible skills in 2026. Using this method, you would set up Claude as your copywriting tutor, work through the core principles stage by stage, write practice copy daily, and get instant professional level feedback. Test yourself on the frameworks with active recall. And within weeks rather than months, you would have a genuinely employable skill. The same applies to coding, digital marketing, or video editing. The AI tutoring method compresses the time from beginner to competent dramatically. And competent is the threshold at which a skill starts generating income through freelancing, employment, or your own business. Combine this with the AI income methods we have covered on this channel, and the path from learning to earning becomes remarkably short. Your action plan today. Choose one skill you have wanted to learn, ideally one that could increase your income. Open Claude or ChatGPT and use the personal tutor prompt to build your structured learning plan. Commit to one focused learning session using the feedback loop and active recall methods. Just one session today. The tools are all free. Claude, ChatGPT, and NotebookLM are linked in the description below. The only thing standing between you and a valuable new skill is starting. The people who win in 2026 are not the ones who already know the most. They are the ones who can learn the fastest. AI has made fast learning available to everyone. The only question is who actually uses it. Hit the like button if this was useful. Subscribe to Wealth AI. Next week on the finance side, we are covering how to build multiple income streams. Drop a comment below. What skill are you going to learn? I read every single one. I am Wealth AI, and this is just the beginning.